everyone, my name is Angela and welcome to Bedtime Stories. Today we have a very big Dora book. Are you excited? Me too. This book actually has 3 books in it and we're going to read all of them. And this is Dora and Diego's Adventure. The first story we're going to read today is Meet Diego. Hola, I'm Dora. And this is my friend Boots. We're here at Animal Rescue Center where they help all kinds of animals. I hear a sound. Look, Baby Bear is about to fall out of the tree. Hang on, Baby Bear. Oh no, he's falling. Here comes my cousin Diego. He's saving Baby Bear. Wow, Diego's really cool. He can make animal noises and talk to wild animals. Can you say "Rrr, rrr" to Baby Bear? Uh-oh, someone's calling for help. Diego's field journal helps him identify animals. Let's check it out to figure out who's calling for help. It's Baby Jaguar, and he's in trouble. We've got to get to the waterfall to help him. Map says that to get to Baby Jaguar, we need to go through the rainforest and past the cave, and that's how we'll get to the waterfall. Will you help us save Baby Jaguar? We have to hurry. Vámonos! We made it to the rainforest. Look, there's a zip cord. We can ride the zip cord through the treetops and zip through the rainforest. Do you see a ladder we can climb up? Oh no, the ladder is missing 6 rungs. Let's find the rungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job! Thanks for helping fix the ladder. Now let's go save Baby Jaguar. Whee! We made it to the cave. Do you see a polar bear? Diego's journal says polar bears live only in the cold, but it's really hot in the rainforest. Oh no, that's not a polar bear. Do you know who it is? It's Swiper, that sneaky fox. He'll try to swipe Diego's journal. We have to say, Swiper, no swiping. Say it with me. Swiper, no swiping. Good job, friends. Thanks for helping us stop Swiper. Now we need to find the waterfall. We can use Diego's spotting scope to see things that are far away. There's the waterfall. And there's Baby Jaguar. We're coming, Baby Jaguar! We can water ski down the river to save Baby Jaguar. Diego says if we ask the dolphin, he'll pull us through the water. Can you help me call the dolphin? Say, click, click. Again. Click, click. Great job. The dolphin can pull us through the river, but we need something to hold on to. Let's check backpack. Say, backpack. What can the dolphin use to pull us along the water? This one's tricky. I know. Do you see what we need? Wonderful! A rope! Excelente! We all need to hold onto the rope. Put your hands out in front of you and hold on tight. Whoa! Yay! We made it to the other side of the river. Oh no! Baby Jaguar is about to fall over the giant waterfall. Diego says the big condors can help us. They can fly us all the way to baby Jaguar. Say, squawk, squawk, to call the big condors. Squawk, squawk. Good job. Quick, you have to help us fly to baby Jaguar. Flap your arms. Both of them, faster. Faster, faster. Good job. That's how you do it. Hooray! We caught him! We saved baby Jaguar, and now the whole Jaguar family is together again. Thanks for helping. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you again soon. For Dora's pirate adventure, look for the video.